Imagine a world where you can embark on your overland adventures, surrounded by rugged landscapes and untamed wilderness, yet still enjoy the luxury of a soothing hot shower. Well, it's not just a dream, it's a game changer. Overland camping is all about self-sufficiency and immersing yourself in nature, but that doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. Portable hot shower systems have revolutionized the way we experience the great outdoors. These ingenious devices provide you with the luxury of a warm, rejuvenating shower, no matter how remote your campsite is. So how can we have our own hot shower system for our next overlanding trip? We have here our first option. First, simple water pressure kits. When it comes to overland camping, having a portable hot shower system can elevate your outdoor experience. One popular choice is a DIY pressure shower kit, offering convenience and flexibility. These kits allow you to create a functional shower on the go, even in the most remote locations. Essential components of a DIY pressure shower kit include water heater. At the heart of your system, the water heater provides the warmth needed for a satisfying shower. These heaters can run on propane, electricity, or other fuel sources, ensuring you have hot water when you need it. Water source. To supply your shower, you'll require a water source. This can be a built-in water tank, a separate container, and tanks can be made out of PVC tubes mounted on the roof of a car, or military water tanks that are easy to store and transport, or even a nearby natural source like a river or lake. Pump. A water pump is a vital component for generating water pressure and facilitating the flow from your source to the heater and ultimately to the shower head. Pumps exist in both manual and electronic configurations. The choice is yours. Shower head. The shower head is where the magic happens, allowing you to direct the flow and customize your shower experience for comfort. Hoses and connectors. These are the unsung heroes, connecting the dots in your system. They link the heater, pump, water source, and shower head, ensuring a seamless operation. Heat source, either propane or electric. Depending on your choice of water heater, you'll need the corresponding heat source or power supply to keep the water hot. Control system. Adjusting water temperature and flow, as well as turning the system on and off, is made possible by the control system. Mounting or support structure. Depending on your setup, a secure way to mount or support the components in your vehicle or camping site may be necessary. Optional components to consider for your DIY pressure shower kit. Thermostat. For precise temperature control, adding a thermostat can help you achieve your ideal shower experience. Battery or power source. Reliable electricity is crucial for electric-based systems, and having a backup power source is worth considering. Privacy enclosure. Create your personal oasis with a privacy enclosure or shower tent, providing a secluded space to shower comfortably. When it comes to privacy awnings for your outdoor shower setup, here are some highly recommended options. Tough Stuff Overland Shower Tent. The shower tent is built to last, constructed with incredibly durable 420 denier ripstop nylon. Its aluminized internal fabric not only reflects heat back to the person showering, but also prevents unwanted shadows from external light sources. It's designed with a spacious 42 by 42 interior, offering a familiar square shower enclosure size for added comfort. 23-0 Shower Tent. The 23-0 shower tent provides full privacy and even comes with a floor mat for added convenience. Its reflective interior design minimizes light bounce and maintains a blackout silhouette, ensuring your privacy is upheld. With a slightly more compact 36 by 36 interior, it offers efficient storage options for your travels. Our go-to value option. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this Amazon Value brand shower tent might suit your needs. However, it's worth noting that it lacks a reflective interior, which could potentially impact your privacy and well-lit surroundings. Keep in mind that while it's cost-effective, privacy concerns may arise with this choice. These options cater to various preferences and budgets, so you can select the privacy awning that best suits your overland camping and showering requirements. But do not forget, water filtration systems. Ensure clean and safe showering water when drawing from natural sources by incorporating a water filtration system. With these essential and optional components, your DIY pressure shower kit can offer the convenience of a hot shower wherever your overland adventure takes you. Up next, we have a more involved and permanent solution for overland expeditions: the DIY 12-volt shower system. This system offers reliability and flexibility for those embarking on extended journeys in the great outdoors. The process begins by sourcing water from various places, such as streams, water containers, onboard tanks, or other water sources. To ensure water quality, a standard RV filter, readily available at hardware stores for approximately $30, is employed. For remote locations, an additional UV sterilizing filter can be added for extra peace of mind. The water is then pumped using a 12-volt pump, drawing power from the vehicle's battery to create water pressure. From there, it travels to the shower head or sink, providing a continuous flow of running water. To enhance the system, a heat exchanger can be integrated to capture heat from the vehicle's engine, effectively heating the shower water. After the pump, a T-fitting separates the hot and cold lines. The hot lines passes through the heat exchanger, achieving high temperatures. Meanwhile, the cold line splits into two, one leading to the shower knobs and the other to a mixing or temper valve. This valve blends the extremely hot water with cold water, ensuring a safe and comfortable showering temperature. Moreover, the system can be further upgraded with a bypass loop, allowing users to connect to water sources like RV campsites or garden hoses. This versatile system usually finds applications in boats, RVs, tiny houses, off-grid cabins, sustainable homes, and overland camping rigs worldwide. But this very system can also be the one you put in your overlanding setup. Ultimately, the system harnesses excess heat in an eco-friendly manner, making a practical choice wherever heat is available. Let us explore more alternative products for those who do not want to build their very own system. Geyser Shower System, your hassle-free shower solution. If you're seeking an effortless and hassle-free solution for your outdoor shower needs, the Geyser Shower System offers a plug-and-play experience that's perfect for adventurers who prefer ready-made solutions. Simply unpack it, connect it to a water source, and you're ready to enjoy a refreshing shower wherever your journey takes you. What sets the Gyser apart is its user-friendly design, ensuring you spend less time setting up and more time relishing your outdoor escapades. It's the ultimate companion for those who value simplicity and practicality in their overland adventures. Say goodbye to DIY headaches and hello to an instant and invigorating outdoor shower experience with the Geyser Shower System. Pro Overlanding Teardrop Trailer's choice, the Joolca Hottap. When it comes to professional overlanding teardrop trailers, one name stands out as the go-to choice: Joolca Hottap. Trusted by the experts, this innovative hot water system has become a secret weapon for teardrop trailer manufacturers who demand reliability and efficiency. With its compact design and powerful heating capabilities, the Joolca Hottap ensures that adventurers can enjoy hot showers and clean dishes even in the most remote off-grid locations. It's a testament to the quality and performance that professional teardrop trailer makers rely on to enhance the comfort and convenience of their vehicles, making every overlanding journey an unforgettable experience. Kakadu Instant Shower, the latest hit of overlanding showers. Introducing the freshest sensation in the world of outdoor gear, the Kakadu Instant Shower. This groundbreaking innovation has taken the market by storm, offering a quick and efficient solution for staying refreshed on your escapades. With its compact design and rapid heating system, the Kakadu Instant Shower guarantees you'll never be left longing for a hot shower after a day of exploration. This latest addition to the portable shower scene is set to redefine convenience and comfort in the great outdoors, making it a must-have for modern adventurers seeking the ultimate refreshment on their journeys. Explore the world of overlanding with confidence, knowing you have countless gear options at your disposal. While our video showcases what we believe are the best choices, Remember that your adventure is unique, so research, try and test what suits you best. Thank you for joining us on the Overland Times, your gateway to the latest and greatest in overlanding adventures and gear. If you're as passionate about the great outdoors as we are, don't forget to subscribe. Do it now. Stay safe and keep exploring.